Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making both a Switch case and a DS Lite case using these amazing stickers and charms I purchased from a shop called Cyberneko. Cyberneko is run by my friend Gloria and I absolutely love her art. The bold colors and striking style are so unique and I love that she incorporates Japanese pop culture motifs into it. The items I'm showing here are from her Bad Luck Club collection and I love everything. These particular pieces are actually a little freebie she sent me, so thank you so much Gloria for sending that. She even sent a little interchangeable strap to go along with this charm, and I absolutely love the face this little cat is making. It's so cute. The next item here is this vinyl sticker with a holographic background. I really love this one too. It's super shiny and the quality of the sticker is really nice. You can see the print is very even and the colors are all very vibrant. And I love the artwork itself, the character, she looks so snarky and I love her outfit as well. Next here is an acrylic charm and sticker set. So these came in a set. You can buy them separately, but I decided to get the set because I wasn't sure which one I would be using in my case. But you can see here that this one is just an acrylic charm. Again, the colors are super rich and vivid and I like the acrylic material as well. I feel like it really suits the art style, very shiny. Next up we have this acrylic charm and it features a cat with onigiri and again super cute. Like I said, I really love how bold her art style is. The lines are really thick and I feel like it really makes the artwork pop. I love the face it's making and it's holding a little onigiri and look at its little paws, so cute. This one also comes with a little sticker with the Bad Luck Club collection name on it and I will probably be using this in one of the cases. I also purchased these particular stickers. These are also kind of like a vinyl sticker. I purchased a couple of them. This one is a mask and this one's totally hollow and I love it. It looks so cool. And then I have this one, which is a girl in a sailor uniform, also with a mask on. And I love that this one is like a die cut. It looks really dramatic. And then this one is a cat with a little bell and rope around its neck. And you can see the little paws again, so cute. And then Gloria also included these freebies as well for me. So again, thank you so much, Gloria. And you can see here that there's that cat with the halo, just like the acrylic charm earlier. You can see these stickers has more of like a sparkly hollow effect. That's a little bit different from this one, which is like smoother. And I do like the sparkly one. It kind of reminds me of like glitter or confetti. So I really like the finishing on this one. And then we have this little like mecha cat girl. So cute. I love her hair and her expression. She looks super happy and her little cat gloves are so cute. And then we also have this villager style sticker. She looks just like a cat villager from Animal Crossing and she has a funny little helmet on and it's so adorable, again with that really pretty holographic confetti background. So cute. So here's everything I ordered from the Bad Luck Club collection. I absolutely love everything. If you'd like to check out Cyberneko, I'll have links to the shop and Gloria's Instagram in the description below. Okay, let's go ahead and make those cases. Alright, so the first case I'm going to be working on is for this DS Lite, and I purchased this clear acrylic case from eBay, and it's just a really simple case and totally plain. But you can see there's like openings for the card slots and buttons and everything. And one thing that you want to make sure is that when you are designing your piece, you're making sure you're not blocking any of those openings. I also got a bunch of little embellishments to go with my design. So I got my stickers and I'm trying to figure out a little layout. And I'm just planning it out. So I'm using these washi tape stickers to kind of create some interest in the background, some texture, because I didn't want it to be too plain and have a lot of like open spaces. And I just picked colors that kind of coordinated with the stickers as well. And then I'm just applying the stickers. They're pretty sticky, so be kind of careful when you're putting them on because it's a little bit difficult to reposition them. But I'm also happy with that because it means they're gonna last very long and stay in place. Now I'm adding some embellishments. You can see here I'm using these letter beads to create the name of the collection. So I put Bad Luck Club on it. I thought it would be really cute. And the letters also are in colors that coordinate with the overall design. So pretty happy with that. And I'm just letting this dry. I'm using tacky glue, which is pretty strong. And here is the front cover all done. Next, I'm attaching this charm that I got. I'm adding a little bell to make it even cuter. And then I'm placing a sticker in the back. Here is the final look. It's super cute. None of the design interferes with being able to hold on to the console when you're playing it. And I absolutely love how it turned out. Next, let's work on a Switch case. So I got this clear plastic a case from Amazon, and I'm only going to be working on the back plate for this craft. So here I'm laying out the stickers and trying to decide what design I want to do. These stickers are pretty big, and I do like that because it's going to cover a lot of the back plate. And I'm kind of trying to layer the stickers here to get the design I want. And I'm doing the same technique I used with the DS case, where I'm using washi tape to kind of fill in those gaps, those blank areas, so that the design doesn't feel kind of empty. So here I'm applying the stickers, and whatever's like overhanging, I'm just going to trim with scissors. I'm adding this cute little bow and some rhinestone embellishments to give it a little bit of sparkle. And here's how it came out. Next, I'm taking this cat Daruma charm and I'm adding a little star charm to it as well and attaching it to the bottom of the case. I just kind of wrapped it around one of the openings. And here is the final result. I'm so in love with this design. It looks super cool, very striking. It's really different from a lot of the stuff I make here on my channel, but I absolutely love how it turned out. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoy customizing cases and how you like to do that. Is paint, stickers? I'd love to see what you guys do. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!